Hey, this is Mark from Mountain Venture, and today we are doing a bike check on my 2018 Trek Fuel EX8. All right, so 9 months ago, I was in the market to buy a new bike. I was riding a 2007 Kona Stinky Deluxe, which was a great bike back in the day, but with its 170 millimeters of travel and 26-inch wheels and 38-pound weight, I felt like it was time to upgrade. I was looking for a modern trail bike with 130, 140 millimeter travel, 29-inch wheels. That's when I came across this Trek Fuel EX8 on sale, used, for $1,000 less than retail. Now the bike came pretty much a stock build. 130 millimeter fork, 130 millimeter rear shock, aluminum frame, and the SRAM Eagle GX drivetrain. So with the money I saved, I thought I'll do some upgrades. The first thing I did was swap out the Fox 34 Rhythm fork for a Fox 34 factory fork with 140 millimeters of travel. The next upgrade I did was swapped out the aluminum wheel set for a carbon wheel set. I went with the Nobl 33 carbon hoops laced to the i9 torch hubs. Those hubs are great, super fast engagement, and once I grease the pawls, it isn't obnoxiously loud. The kind of riding I do is 95% trail. I mean, I'll go from gravel rides to technical single track, high country, epic all-day rides. And I even did a 42-mile marathon cross-country race this year up in Tahoe at the Carson City Off-Road Classic. This bike has done it all so well. As far as tires go, I am running the venerable Maxxis Minions DHF up front 2.5, DHR in the back 2.3. Now, these tires are probably a little bit overkill for the kind of riding I do, but honestly, they are so confidence inspiring with their traction, and the rocky trails that I mostly ride, they're almost impervious to flats. In the 9 months I've ridden and hundreds of miles, I have yet to have a single flat. You know, sometimes I think about the weight of this bike. It's 30 pounds with the carbon hoops, which is fairly heavy. But to save 2 pounds by gaining a carbon frame over aluminum would be more than $2,000 more in price. And I just couldn't, from where I'm at, justify that cost for what I was gaining. And to be honest, I only worry about that when I'm sitting at my computer looking at spike specs. When I'm on the trail, I never even think about the fact that this weighs 30 pounds. I just love riding. So my greatest takeaway is this. This bike brings me lots of smiles. I love riding it. Could it be lighter? Yeah. Could it be a boutique brand and maybe better for the industry? Yeah, and maybe I'll get that in the future. But you can't beat this bike bang for buck. So get out there and ride. Hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like it, hit subscribe. I post videos of mountain biking, trail running, backpacking, gear reviews. So until next time, hopefully we'll see you somewhere out there on the trail.